Hello mathematicians and welcome to your Fluency rotation. This week in Fluency we're going to be talking about the double plus one or two strategy. So with this strategy there are certain problems that work best with this strategy. Just like with doubles, when we see two numbers that are the same, we want to use that double strategy to solve it efficiently. With this strategy we also have to keep doubles in mind, but you'll notice in the examples here that the numbers are different. So as we look at all of these are all great types of math facts that we want to use to solve with the doubles plus one or two strategy. So with 5 plus 6, we see that if we were to have 5 plus 5, that would be doubles, but 6 is only one more. So what we can do is think 5 plus 5 is 10, and then add that one more. So doubles plus 1. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So I've put those problems here for us, and we're going to model these using Brain and Camp. So just watch and think about how you can use the doubles plus one or two strategy to efficiently and accurately solve these math facts. We're going to start with 6 plus 8 because we just did 5 plus 6 in our heads a little bit. I want to show you 6 plus 8 using tools. So as I pull this up, I'm going to put in here 6 plus 8, and I'm going to move that right over here. As we look at this problem, 6 plus 8, there's 6 and 8 with 2 left over. So if we double 6 and add 2 more, we'll get our answer. So I'm going to do is I'm going to make 6. There's the 6 that is represented in the first add-in. Then I'm going to double it, and that gives me 12. But there's 2 more I need to add. So I'm going to add those 2 more on to get my answer. And I now have a grand total of 14. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. If I was thinking through that in my head, 6 doubled is 12, plus 2 more is 14. The next problem we have is 7 plus 6. Now when this is the case, we can do one of two things. We can double the second add-in, or we could do 7 plus 7 and subtract 1. So I'm going to do 7 plus 7 and subtract 1 to show you that it's not always plus 1 or 2, but you can subtract 1 or 2 as well. So I'm going to make 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. I'm going to double 7, which makes 14, but it was only 6. So I'm taking 1 away, and my answer is 13. Again, not always do we have to do doubles plus 1 or 2. We can do doubles minus 1 and 2 as well. The next one is 8 plus 9. Here, I'm going to double 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8, the first add-in. And I have to add 9. So I'm going to double that for 8. And then add 1 more. Here I have 8, 16, 17. So my answer here is going to be 17. I'm going to fill in these other answers. 5 plus 6 was 11 because we doubled 5 and added 1. 6 plus 8 is 14 because we doubled 6 and added 2. 7 plus 6 is 13 because we doubled 7 and subtracted 1. Now we have 3 plus 5. So for this one, I'm going to show 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. I'm going to double it, but it was only plus 3, so I'm going to take those 2 extra away, and my answer is 5 plus 3, which is 8. And the last one I have is 7 plus 9. For this one, I'm going to double 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7, the first add-in. I'm going to double that, which gives me 7 more, but I needed to add 9, so I need to add 2 more. And that is my answer here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 total. And that makes my answer 16. So as you work through these activities today, you're going to be practicing this double plus or minus 1 or 2 strategy. And this strategy is going to be really helpful for you to get really efficient at problems where the numbers are close to each other, when the add-ins are close to each other, so you can use that double plus or minus 1 or 2. I hope you enjoy the activities, and I hope that this strategy helps you to become even quicker and more efficient with your addition math facts. Have fun!